Hey Purlisses, I'm Danielle and I'm going to be telling you about our new detox kit. The detox kit will be perfect for detoxifying your skin right after the holidays and preparing you for the new year. So it comes with our Blue Lotus 4-in-1 cleansing milk, our Blue Lotus seed mud mask and exfoliant, 3 of our charcoal and licorice sheet masks, and 3 of our green tea and ginger sheet masks. So the 4-in-1 cleansing milk is perfect for removing all your makeup. It'll take off your liquid lipsticks and your mascara all in one step. So our Blue Lotus seed mud mask is perfect for detoxifying the skin. There's Blue Lotus, bamboo, ginger, and mushroom extract, which will really help brighten your skin as well. And it also works as an exfoliant. So we have our 2 sheet masks, the charcoal and licorice and the green tea and ginger. They come with 3 each. The charcoal and licorice is good for pore refining, and the green tea and ginger is good for rejuvenating your skin. You can get this detoxifying kit at purlisse.com to get your skin ready for the new year.